This is the most important verb in Korean. The verb is to be, which can be am or is in English. I am a teacher. You are a student. She is a writer. He is a soldier. Did you see how I was using the being verb every time? That's how important it is. So in today's lesson, I brought you the Korean being verb, which is 이다. Say that with me. 이다. Now, that's a dictionary form of the verb. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn that into present tense. Now it is 이에요. Your turn. 이에요. And it could be 예요. Your turn. 예요. 이에요 and 예요 both mean am, are, is, to be. And you're wondering, when do I use which one? Well, that depends on what comes before this verb. 이에요 is used when the previous letter ends in a consonant. And 예요 is used when the previous word ends in a vowel. Let me show you some examples. We're gonna make a lot of sentences together. And to do that, I'm gonna be using Korean dictionary you needed in today's lesson. And this can be found in the description below. And what it is basically, it includes all the vocabulary that you need to know. And it has pictures for each word with romanization and English meaning and all of that. So this will really help us today to make sentences with noun and that being verb. Let's make some sentences. This chapter will work perfectly with 이에요 and 예요 ending. That is occupation. Jobs is 직업. Do you see here? 직업. And that's jobs. And if you look at the very first one, doctor is 의사. Say that with me so you can expand your vocabulary while building sentences. 의사. And now take a look at the spelling of the last syllable. Does it end in a vowel or consonant? I see right here. That's a vowel. And remember I said 이에요 works with a consonant and 예요 will work with a vowel ending words. And this one ends in a vowel ending. So I can say 의사 예요. That means he or she or I am doctor. Do you see how in Korean it's not that clear who the subject is unless you know the context? So if I just drop he, she, I, the whole subject part, we just say 의사예요. 의사예요. And if you're in the conversation, you'll know who we're talking about. Maybe it's referring to you or he. He, 의사예요. 저분, 의사예요. But if you're not really pointing at anybody, it's probably talking about yourself. 의사예요. 저는 의사예요. And next right here, we see secretary, and that is 비서. Say that with me. 비서. Yep, right there. Now again, look at the last syllable. Does it end in a consonant or vowel? Tell me. Yep. That's a vowel. So again, which being verb are you going to use? Tell me. Yup, right there. 예요. So you can say 비서예요. 비서예요. I am a secretary. 비서예요. Yeah. And next, let's go to here. Police officer. 경찰. 경찰. Now look at the ending. Does it end in a consonant or vowel? I see l. That's a consonant. Now we need 이에요 or 예요? 이에요. So put them together. 경찰이에요. 경찰이에요. I am a police officer. Or if you want to say that person, 저분 경찰이에요. 저분은 경찰이에요. And taking a look at the next one, let's see. Ooh, what about this? Soldier, 군인. Say that with me. 군인. And now you determine and let me know. Does it end in a consonant or vowel? You tell me. Whisper to me. Yup, you're right. It ends in a consonant. And now we need to decide. Is it EAO ending or YAO ending? Tell me again. Yeah, 군인 이에요. Because it ends in a consonant. 군인이에요. I am a soldier. 군인이에요. Say that with me. 군인이에요. I'm going to scroll down so we can talk about more jobs. This is part 2. Here we go. Take a look at the spelling carefully and say them with me. The very first thing we have is lawyer here. That is 변호사. Did you guys watch Attorney Woo? 우영우 변호사. Now look at the spelling. The very last syllable. Does it end in a vowel or consonant? Yep, I see a vowel, so mark it V. Is it EAO or YAO? YAO. 변호사예요. Say that with me. I'm a lawyer. 변호사예요. 변호사예요. 저분, that person. 변호사예요. 저분 변호사예요. Moving on to the next one. Let's try this one. Counselor. That's a loan word right there from English. Counselor. Counselor. Say that with me. Counselor. Now take a look at the very last syllable. Does it end in a consonant or vowel? It ends in a vowel. So again, that will be counselor예요. counselor예요. I'm a counselor. counselor예요. What about you try this one? Ooh, this is a real one for myself. Teacher. And I know some of you who are watching this right now is a teacher too. Because I know I attract a lot of teachers to my channel. So say 선생님. 선생님. And now determine. Does this word end in a consonant or vowel? Take a good look. That's an M right there. M. 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 Yeah, that's a consonant. So you'll say 선생님이에요. 선생님이에요. I can say that confidently. 저는 선생님이에요. 저는 선생님이에요. 우리 아버지도 선생님이에요. I said my father is also a teacher. And right below that I see student. That is 학생. 학생. And now you tell me, does this end in a consonant or vowel? Yeah, that also ends in a consonant. So you'll attach 이에요. 학생이에요. I'm a student. 학생이에요. 학생이에요. Yes, we are building sentences, we are expanding our vocabulary, and we're doing it all together. Let's do one last word from this page. Singer, 가수, oh, 가수. And now you tell me, does this end in a consonant or vowel? Yeah, it ends in a vowel. And then that will be 가수예요, not 이에요. 가수예요. I'm a singer. 가수예요. Yeah. And maybe you can say, 우리 어머니는 가수예요. My mother is a singer. That's not a true statement for me. I'm just saying it as an example. 우리 어머니는 가수예요. Now let's go to a different chapter, which is weather. We can say it is summer, it is spring, it is winter. So here we go. The first one is spring. Say 봄, 봄. Make sure you have your mouth shaped like this. 봄. There you go. Now, 봄, if you take a look at the spelling of that, what does it end in? Vowel or consonant? Yep, you have it already. Consonant. So it's going to be 봄이에요. 봄이에요. It is spring. It, as you can see here, is omitted in Korean. It is assumed. Now, next, summer. How do you say it is summer? Tell me. You tell me first this time. Yep. 여름. 여름이에요. 여름 again ends in a consonant, so I'm going to put a C right there. 여름이에요. And now moving on to fall, autumn. 가을, 가을. That again ends in a what? Consonant. That's a little consonant right there. So it is 가을이에요. 가을이에요. It is fall. And lastly, winter. How can we say that? 겨울, 겨울. And again, what does it end in? Consonant. So you're gonna attach 이에요 to be. It is winter. 겨울이에요. And now you learn the most important verb in Korean, which is to be. Am, are, is. You can make any sentences by putting in other nouns. Maybe to be is the most important verb in English too, because we use it every day. I am, she is, they are, all of it. So if you look right here, you can see all of these nouns, and just pause anytime you like and take a look. Like if you want to say, this is a paper, 종이에요, because it ended in a vowel, and you scroll just a little down, scroll even more. Ooh, maybe you can say, ooh, textbook, 교과서. You want to say, this is a textbook, 교과서예요, 교과서예요. Do you see how simple it is to make any sentences with 이에요 and 예요? Today, we covered a lot of things. We learned the most important verb in Korean, which is 이에요 and 예요, to be, am, are, is. And we also expanded our vocabulary along the way. And as we're putting 이에요 and 예요 together with these nouns, we were making sentences. Did you see the process, how it was all building up? If you enjoyed our lesson today, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so we can continue to learn Korean together. And those of you who are looking for more support in your language learning journey, you can go to my website right here so you can check out the courses and ebooks that I have as well. And with that, always remember, we got this. I love you, guys.